Welcome to MHE Tech Center, Material Handling Equipment Knowledge Hub, your place to learn forklift operation, safety, maintenance, and material handling equipment training. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page for more technical videos. Now let's begin today's topic.
What is a forklift stability triangle? The forklift stability triangle is an imaginary triangle that shows how a forklift maintains balance and stability while lifting or moving loads. It is formed by 3 points on the forklift: left front wheel, right front wheel, rear axle pivot point. As long as the combined center of gravity of the forklift and load remains inside this triangle, the forklift stays stable. If it moves outside the triangle, the forklift can tip over. Why the stability triangle is important? Understanding the stability triangle helps operators to prevent forklift tip over accidents, handle loads safely, maintain proper load balance, operate safely on slopes or during turns. Center of gravity, CG. The center of gravity is the point where the weight of the forklift and load is balanced. When lifting a load, the center of gravity moves forward. If it moves outside the stability triangle, the forklift may tip over. Types of forklift tip over: forward tip over, load too heavy, load center too far forward, mast tilted forward with raised load. Side tip over, turning at high speed, uneven surfaces, turning with raised load, operating on slopes. Factors affecting stability: load weight, load center distance, load height, mast tilt position, turning speed, surface condition. Attachments used. Safety rules: keep the load low while traveling. Do not exceed rated capacity. Tilt mast backward when carrying load. Avoid sharp turns at high speed. Do not raise load while moving. Drive slowly on slopes. Most important key leaning point: a forklift is stable only when the center of gravity stays inside the stability triangle.